My name is David Cox and I'm the webmaster at TheWordTutorial.com, and what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to use watching the clipboard function of the Word, and we're going to use it to make pop-ups of verses that we find in other places and other sources outside of the Word, and also how to insert back into for example, Microsoft Word or an email program or anything like that, verses. So what we're going to do first is we're going to have to turn it on. So File, Preferences, and here we're going to see the Disable Clipboard Monitoring. We're going to uncheck that. That turns it on. You've got a couple of options here. Which Bible you're going to use. The current Bible. You can also use the default Bible, which depends on what you can set the default Bible and the Word, and then current Bibles if you're changing different versions. Sometimes it would be good to see the Greek or Hebrew behind it, and so you could use this. Another one here, Register Control Shift V. You want to make sure that's checked. Okay, now we got that. Now we're going to switch over to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, we have this section of verses. We're going to Control C. That will get the pop-up. You'll see here John 3, 1 through 4 and 7, non-consecutive verse range. Here we have the countdown before it breaks out of the pop-up window. I'll wait until you can move outside, and that will do the same. Okay, now I'm going to press Control Shift V. That now has changed the verse reference into the actual verses, and Control V to paste them. See how nicely this works in this program. You can go through if you're, for example, if you're working on something in a sermon or something, Control C, Shift Control V, and we have to do the Control C. Okay, that gets the pop-up. Control Shift V, and that will put it in there. Now I'm going to jump over to just a page on the internet. Go reading through here, and well, look, this guy's mentioned some verses. I don't know what they are. I want to see what they are. Control C, and here we have the verses. Let's Control C it again, and we can scroll if we want to. You can see all of them. So as you see, you go through here, and if you know how to use list in the Word, then you can see that we can add these verses to a list, then build up a list. We can go to them in the Bible, or we can copy them. Okay. So that's how you use it. Very simple, very easy, very powerful tool. And that's it. Thank you.